Let me speak to your heart today, because if you are hearing this message right now, I believe it's not by accident. You didn't click this video by mistake. You didn't just find it, you are guided. You are pulled and you are meant to hear these words today. Sometimes God whispers, sometimes life speaks softly, and sometimes the message comes louder because we have been ignoring the sign, the feelings, the truth inside your soul. And today this message is your reminder, your wake-up call, your turning point. So don't skip this message. Don't rush through it. Let it touch you. Let it speak to you because you needed this today. Hello dear family, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Judith. Welcome to a home of growth, focus and transformation. Today's message is one you shouldn't skip. You are guided here for a reason, and I'm honored to share this message with you. Let's be honest. There are days when you feel tired, discouraged, overwhelmed, misunderstood, unseen. There are days when you smile in public but you are breaking quietly on the inside. There are days when you show strength only because you have no other option. And sometimes the world forgets that you are human. Today I want you to allow yourself to breathe and listen, because this message is for you. Here is the truth. You have been carrying too much alone. You have been fighting battles no one knows about. You have been giving love, giving time, giving energy with very little coming back. You have been stretching yourself for people who don't stretch for you. You've been strong for too long, and you have been silent for too long. And life is saying, stop, slow down, listen. There is something you need to hear. You have been doubting your value because of people who couldn't see it. You have been questioning your path because of temporary struggles. You have been shrinking yourself so that others can feel comfortable. You have been dimming your light because someone couldn't handle your brightness. But today life wants to remind you, you are enough, you are valuable, you are chosen, you are loved. You are stronger than your past and greater than your pain. You are not failing, you are growing. You are not behind, you are being prepared. You are not broken, you are becoming. Don't skip this message today, because you needed to hear. You needed to be reminded that everything you have survived has shaped you. Every tear watered your strength. Every disappointment redirected your life. Every betrayal revealed who didn't deserve you. Every loss cleared space for something better. You needed to hear that you are not stuck. You are not transitioning. The chapter you are in feels heavy, confusing, tearing, not because you are weak, but because you are leveling up. Growth is uncomfortable. Healing is messy. Becoming your best self requires breaking old patterns, letting go of old identities, and walking away from places that don't hold your destiny. And life will keep pushing you until you learn to choose yourself. This message is for you. If you have been sacrificing too much, if you have been giving too much, if you have been tolerating too much, if you have been waiting too long for people who won't show up, if you have been loyal to the wrong situations, if you have been keeping silent about what hurts you, if you have been pretending you are okay when you are not, today you needed to hear that you are allowed to start over. You are allowed to choose peace. You are allowed to heal at your own pace. You are allowed to protect your heart. You are allowed to walk away without guilt. You are allowed to grow beyond what no one fits your life. Don't skip this message today, because you needed to hear this truth. Some people were never meant to stay. only to teach you. Some situations were never meant to break you, only to wake you. Some delays were never rejections, they were protection. Some endings are actually beginnings in disguise. If you have been asking God for signs, and here is one. You have been praying for direction, and this is it. You have been looking for clarity, and these words are your confirmation. You are entering a season where you realize why things didn't work out, why certain people had to leave, why you had to struggle the way you did, why your heart had to break before it healed, why the journey had to be lonely, why you had to grow in silence, because you are not being punished, you are being prepared for something bigger, brighter, better, deeper, stronger. Don't skip this message today, because life is reminding you that your purpose is bigger than your pain. Your calling is bigger than your fear. Your destiny is bigger than the people who doubted you. You needed to hear today that you are not alone, you are not forgotten, you are not falling apart or being rebuilt. You are not losing, you are learning. You are not late, you are right on time. And the right people, the right opportunities, the right love, the right peace is coming. It's moving towards you even now. Even if you can't see it, your breakthrough, that moment when everything shifts, is coming closer than you think. Don't skip this message today, because your heart needed hope, your mind needed clarity, your spirit needed strength, your soul needed rest, and your future needed you to believe again. Life is not done with you. Your story is not over. Your miracles are not finished. Your best days are not behind. They are ahead of you. And when you are walking into a season where everything makes sense, don't skip this message today, because your new chapter begins the moment you decide to stop doubting yourself and start believing in what you truly deserve. You needed to hear this, and now that you have heard it, walk with confidence, walk with faith, walk with power, walk with courage, walk with purpose, because the best version of you is waking up. Don't skip this message today. This is your sign, this is your reminder, this is your confirmation, this is your turning point. Now rise, because your story is just beginning. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.